Whenever travel via flight to US, we feel the tiredness because time zone changes. So
Mm-hmm.
what's the word we are going to use over there? Whenever you're traveling via car, bike, train, in any kind of journey, we see some beautiful views around us. So what's the word we are going to use it for that? If you're living in the north side and you're visiting the south, so over there everything would be new for you. So what is the one word which we use over here? The person who has a strong desire to travel. What we can use for that? Welcome to session, Mansi. How are you?
I'm good, sir. What about you? Thanks for
Doing,
asking.
doing perfectly well. So welcome to session. So today we are going to talk about the vocabulary as you demanded, that we should
Yes.
learn some good words. So today we'll take vocabulary about traveling. So we'll take the first word about itinerary. So what's the
It,
meaning of itinerary?
itinerary means,
Do you have any idea
uh,
about itinerary?
no, sir. Could you please explain?
Okay, so whenever a person plans to travel anywhere, so they make a plan, and that plan is known as itinerary.
It means to-do list. When we make to-do list, we can say, my itinerary is ready. I'm done with my itinerary.
Correct. But to-do list means the activity which you're going to do. But itinerary includes the places you're going to travel.
It means to-do list. When we make to-do list, we can say, my itinerary is ready. I'm done with my itinerary.
Correct. But to-do list means the activity which you're going to do. But itinerary includes the places you're going to travel, the place you're going to stay,
Okay,
the food you're
places.
going to have.
Okay, okay, everything means.
Okay, it means the itinerary. And whenever we travel to a new country, let's suppose as we are living in India and we're traveling to US, so our time zone is going to change.
Mm-hmm.
So whenever travel via flight to US, we feel the tiredness because time zone changes. So
Mm-hmm.
what's the word we are going to use over there?
Dizzy.
Dizzy will face while we are landing somewhere, because
Okay.
some people they have the dizziness issue, but the
Mhm.
word will use jet lag.
Jet lag. Okay.
Correct.
Jet
Jet
lag.
lag. Let's try to create a sentence with the jet lag.
Jet lag. I feel jet lag while traveling by air, or I get jet lag.
I get jet lag whenever I travel to a new country.
Okay, I get jet lag whenever I travel to a new country.
Hmm.
And while traveling by air, jet lag comes. Is it also
Yes,
correct?
yes, but generally it doesn't come. It comes whenever the
Okay.
time zone gets changed. Because in India, you have the habit that it will start by morning. But when India
Mm-hmm.
is a morning, over there it would be the night.
Okay.
And whenever you're traveling via car, bike, train, in any kind of journey, we see some beautiful views around us. So what's the word we are going to use it for that?
Scene. I think
Scene is
so.
scene is yes, but scenic route. Scenic.
Scenic route. Scenic route.
Correct. Because
Route.
first of all, the route we are going for, and scenic, the view. Scenic means the more beautiful, a scenic route.
Okay.
So next time, whenever you'll be going by a train, you can say to your friends, like whenever I travel from X place to Y place, between that, a great scenic route comes.
Okay, whenever I travel to my village, scenic
Mhm.
route comes.
Correct.
Hmm.
So let's try another word. So let's suppose you are living in India and you'll be moving to abroad. Or let's suppose if you're living in the north side and you're visiting the south. So over there, everything would be new for you. So what is
Hmm.
the one word which we use over here? Whenever we get confused by a different culture or different thing over there, how the people are reacting, what we feel over there.
Awkward or
Culture,
surprised?
culture shock.
Culture shock.
Culture shock.
Okay, that's
Correct.
also very good word.
Culture shock. Let's suppose if I have traveled to Canada and there I'll be
Culture
seeing
shock.
people are quite different from India. They're not littering anywhere. They have a proper
Hmm.
dustbin to throw the garbage. So that would be a
Okay,
culture shock for me. Because in India,
I
people used
got
to do in this way.
I got a culture shock from there.
Yes, I got a culture shock.
Okay.
When I
It gave
moved
me a
to,
culture shock. It is also correct, right? It gave
yes,
me
I
a
get a,
culture shock
yes, yes,
and I
yes.
got a culture shock.
Anything can be used in a sentence.
Okay.
In different way, we can use a sentence. When I moved to Canada, I got a great culture shock because over here people are quite different from India. And this can be used whenever you would be traveling to a new place and
You'll
where the
get
things
culture
are
shock.
quite different from your hometown or the
Hmm.
people who were there around you.
Hmm.
And the person who has a strong desire to travel, what we can use for that? Word start with W. Wanderlust.
Wanderlust.
Wanderlust. A strong desire to travel.
Okay.
So
How to use it in a sentence? I'm
he's wonder.
wanderlust. No.
Not I am wanderlust. It's not
Okay.
that you correct. I am wanderlust. You
Hmm.
can frame the sentence in this manner if you want to create. I have a strong wanderlust. I love exploring new places, meeting people, different cultures, and going to the off-beaten tracks.
I have wanderlust.
I have a wanderlust. I have a strong wanderlust. We can also use if you
Okay. I
have
have
a
a
great
strong
desire
wanderlust to move to another country.
to travel,
No.
not to
Travel,
move,
not
to
move,
travel,
not permanently. Okay. Okay.
to travel.
On a regular basis, I love to move from here to there to visiting purpose, for visiting purpose only. I
Correct
have
for
a
visiting, for
great
traveling.
wanderlust, great wanderlust.
Great.
I have a
We can
great
use
wanderlust
we
to
can use
visit
create,
new
strong,
countries.
anything we can use.
Okay. I have a great wanderlust to visit new places, new countries, new places.
Hmm.
Visit,
We can
will
use.
come.
We can use. I have a strong wanderlust. I love exploring new cities.
Acha, I love exploring new places. Okay. I have a great wanderlust to for exploring new things, new places.
Wanderlust we can only use for the travel related, not for the food.
Okay.
Okay. For the food we won't be using this. For the food there's a different term. All right. So now let's try to create a short story using all this word in a sentence.
Mhm.
First you will create. Second I'll create.
Hmm. I'm about to go to America and I'm done with my itinerary and I'm feeling awkward because whenever I travel by air, so I get jet lag and but I enjoy in that situation also because while traveling to America, I get scenic route, and when I reached there, I got culture shock, culture shock, and culture shock. But I love to enjoy new places because I have a wanderlust to visit new places. Khichdi pak gayi.
No problem. Give it a try. This would be your homework. Take this word as
Okay.
a homework. Create a short story. Now I'll give you one short story, okay? While creating a story by myself. I'll give you one short story. Hi, I am Harshdeep and I have a strong wanderlust. I love exploring new places, meeting people from different cultures, and going the off the beaten track to find the hidden gems. Whenever I travel, I plan my itinerary carefully, but I
Oh,
always
wow.
leave space for surprises for taking the scenic route. I enjoy backpacking because it gives me the freedom and keeps my journey light and flexible. One of the best part of traveling is the adventure. I love to embark on long trips whenever I learn to grow. And yes, sometimes I get the jet lag. Why? Because I don't have the habit to travel to different time zones. But whenever I visit the new countries, I always get a culture shock because over there people are quite different from India. However, whenever I reach a new destination, I feel that these experiences teach me that whenever we travel to a new destination, it creates a new journey for us and we can learn a lot of things from it.
Wow.
One question
I
from
was
next
using
time.
like first itinerary and then second one jet lag. I was using like that. Okay.
You have to make it
Now
as
I
a
got it.
story.
I'll create a story and next time. Now I have to tell.
No, no, as a
Okay.
homework. as a homework,
Hmm.
because I know right now in 1 minute it won't be possible.
Class, I will tell you. In next class, I will tell you a great story.
In the next session, we'll talk about the words related to the shopping or related to the food. Which one do you want to learn? Related to food or related to
Shopping,
shopping?
shopping, shopping.
Shopping. So let's have a word related to shopping by the next session.
Okay,
So thanks for
sure.
joining. Let's catch you by next session.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. It was so appealing session.